Hello, barkanku da warhaka, sunana Muneerat Abdulsalam, kuma ban mutu ba. Ban mutu ba, ban mutu ba, ban mutu ba. Ha ham 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 ham. Ban mutu ba, ban mutu ba, ban mutu ba. Yeah, like that was a necessity for the brand. Not just the brand. Well, people have the habit of celebrating people after they are dead. They celebrate you. Everybody's like, Allah Sarki, Allah Jikanta, this, that, this, that. Well, because of that, I came up with a plan that I want to be celebrated while I'm alive. Yeah, an ce na kashe kaina, ni ne na pushing a story din a ce akan cewa na kashe kaina. Hello Zainab Koguma. Yeah, day, how are you? Yep, as a lot of you will know, there's a story circulating in the social media that I killed myself, which I made the story up because a lot of people are celebrating me, celebrating the dead more than they're celebrating the living. So I decided, because of that reason, that I chose to be celebrated while I'm alive, and people will celebrate me while I'm alive. Like, yeah, I need people to celebrate me while I'm alive. They should appreciate me while I'm alive. No, that's not foolish. That's me asking people to celebrate me while I'm still alive, not after I'm dead. Now you come choose to look at that as ignorant, foolishness, stupidness, but I know exactly what I'm doing. Me, that post was meant for my family. Oh my God. Banda kuka, banda kuka. Na nan da raina. Ki gama anti kasar da ta dina kira na. Kin ji? Kin ga wa kuka? Kin ga wa kuka? Ya aka yi. No, hakan bai kamata ba, na sani ba. Karki bar hankalin ke tashi, ban mutu ba. Ina nan da rai na, ina son kama munafukai ne. Ina son kama munafukai ne kafin in mutu. Amma ki kira anti kasala kafin ta mutu. Ki kira anti kasala kafin ta mutu, tana kokarin mutuwa. Kan ta mutu ni kar a ce na mutu wasu ta. Yeah, well, yeah, you may regard that as foolishness. I know it's a little bit quirky, and I'm sorry for anybody that was uncomfortable because of that incident and the emotional trauma I made some people to go through. I mean, like, it's not fair, I know, but then again, some people deserve it. Some people truly, really deserve this. They really deserve to be treated like this. Seriously, especially my family members. A lot of them wants me for different reasons, but obviously if I'm dead, they don't give a shit. So that needs to be addressed. I decided to make it public. Oh my God, like seriously? Hadens was under the assumption that Namutu. Well, I'm just here to clear the air on Facebook. I can't show, sorry, on Instagram, I can't show Mutuba, and then move on with my life because we've only got one life to live. So like and I intend to live it to the fullest, to the best of my ability, and to give and to give and to give back. And I know a lot of people will hate me for doing this, but then again, well, you know, when you joke about death, it tends to come first. I have no regret. If death should come at any moment, I'm willing to embrace it wholeheartedly. But I'm not going to kill myself because I'm a good Muslim. That's just it. Apart from that, like, what's so fun about this earth anyway? What's so fun about it? Now, I don't see a lot of fun attributed to being a citizen of earth. I don't see how that is fun. But then again, I can't kill myself for religious purposes, yeah? So, there are so many people that will love it deep down that it is like that. So, one day get in the office in call 09077871837. and other anything you want to buy. My products are available for you. Like I said, ni ban mutu ba. Sorry to disappoint haters. Ban mutu ba. Haters are gonna hate whether you're alive or dead. Akwai wanda sun sane ka har God knows what, ban san mene dalilin ba. Akwai wanda obviously sun sane ni ko mutuwa ne kuma ba za su daina sanata ba. So like it's so unfortunate because I don't hate anybody, but then again there are a lot of people that hate me. So what can I say? Ah boy. Well, this is just to, you know, like apologize to each and every one of you and to tell you that I fabricated that story and I'm truly sorry for doing that. Well, I'm not sorry in so many ways, but yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, sorry. So worry.